This is the grammar class of 8th standard. Today we are going to learn the remaining part of that previous lessons. Okay, look here. The same question. Sort out the following examples and place them in proper columns. We want to separate or sort out these examples into three columns. First one is phrase, second one is clause, and third one is sentence. Okay, according to their meaning, we want to sort out in three columns. Look here. First sentence or first example is here, defeated man, and it is one phrase. Okay, it is one phrase. You can write this 10th example into phrase column. Okay, then next, and the jackal. You can write this sentence into also phrase because it is also one phrase. Okay, now the next one is the lion and the fox were friends. You can write this example into sentence because in this example here is subject, two subjects, the lion and the fox. Okay, it is subject. Then where is verb? According to sentence meaning or according to this example meaning, we write this example into sentence column. So I write here sentence. Okay, but you should write this example in these columns. Okay, the lion like this, the lion and the fox were friends. Next one is master stroke. Master stroke, it is one phrase. It is one phrase. You want to write here master stroke. Master stroke. Master stroke. Okay, it is one phrase. Then next, lied through his teeth. It is also one phrase. You want to write this example into phrase column. Then unless you make a policy for this and the starting word is subordinating conjunction, so it is a clause. So in clause column you should write this example, unless you make a policy for this. In this way, you can write in three columns according to their meaning. Okay, it is one clause. Then next one is we are after all human beings, and this example is converted, or we can write this into sentence. Okay. The next one is the best are those who love the rest. Okay, the best are those who love the rest, and it is also, we can put this example into sentence column. Okay, in sentence column. The next example is a raccoon, and it is one also phrase. So you can write this example into phrase column. Okay, the next one is for an ardent admirer. It is also one phrase. You can put this example into phrase. Next, you want to sort out into three columns, in phrase column, in clause column, and in sentence column. Okay. The next one, yours faithfully. It is also one phrase. When the banks go bankrupt. Look here, the starting word when, it is subordinating conjunction. According to this, okay, look here, the banks, it is one subject, okay, and go, it is verb. But the starting of that sentence or example with subordinating conjunction, so that it is one clause. You can put this sentence or this example into clause. Okay, subordinating conjunction, starting with subordinating conjunction, so that it is a clause. You can write this example into clause column. Next one, that is why I suspect you. that, look here, that also one subordinating conjunction. So put this example into an also clause column. Okay, clause or clauses, whatever. Look here, clauses. Okay, singular. This sentence is singular, so that I write here clause only. Then next, the sends day. Okay, look here. You can write this example into phrase column. It is also one phrase. Then next, Crazy John own this house. It is also one phrase. This is also one phrase. And the last one, do you still think he will return? And it is one sentence. In this example, subject is you and think is verb. According to this example meaning, it is one sentence, and you can put this example into sentence column. Okay, sentence column. I hope that you can easily sort out these all examples into three columns, in phrase column, into clauses column, or into sentence column. I hope that you will understand easily. The remaining part of this lesson we will see in next video. Thank you.